In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can organize your business plans or business tasks and boost efficiency with ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. From there, go to the Create button and go to Templates. Templates in ClickUp is a powerful tool for you not to start from scratch and instead use templates provided by ClickUp to make your life easier. So on the search node, let's type in business. As you can see, there are many different ways or different kinds of templates that you can use. But one that will help you is this business regarding operations. As you can see, there's a strategic business roadmap, a business roadmap, business budget, brainstorming, and you can even go with a continuity plan and something like this. So choose one of those that fits your needs. Use template. Then let's say business task as our list name. Then choose on which space do you want this list to be created. Then you have the option to whether import everything or customize the import items. Then start the due dates, import as is or remap the dates. And lastly, you have the option to include archive tasks. Then use template. Now, wait for a few moments for ClickUp to set up your template right here. Once it finishes setting up, it should automatically open and it should be accessible right here under space on your left panel. Now, as you can see, it even has a getting starting guide that will help you navigate through this template. Then you have your business plan, the topics right here, the statuses, the timelines, and you can fully customize this since this is free. So you can change all of these with your tasks and you have full authority to customize and edit this template to fit your business needs. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.